Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. I haven't done a video. I told you guys I was gonna post a video of my trip that I was supposed to be going on this week, but it got canceled. So clearly I can't post that video. But I figured I should post a vlog this week because trying to stay consistent, you know. Yeah, so before I do my little vlog, I'm gonna talk a little bit. Obviously, when you get disappointed over something like getting your trip canceled, it can be very fucking upsetting and depressing. But don't stay in your bag, chat. Don't go with the flow of the sadness because there's so many other things that you can take care of in your life and focus on and put your energy towards. So instead of being in my bag or being depressed about the trip, got up. I've kind of taken this week to be like my mental health week, you know, because I've already kind of been going through shit. If you see my TikTok, I have been yapping a lot, which I haven't recently because I've been busy these past couple days. But yeah, I guess I didn't want to be in my bag, so I told myself I'm not gonna do that. I decided to get up and finally go get a car that I actually like, because that's another thing. Looking for a car, for me at least, I'm very picky, and obviously you need something in the right price range, what you like, and good miles, like all that shit. So I finally found a car, and I'd been staring at her for probably weeks, but I finally got the balls to go get her. So we love her. She's cute. She's a cute little green Jeep. I'll show you guys later in the video. Also another thing, I've been wanting another tattoo for so long. So I finally got my back tattoo, which I don't know if I want to show you guys that. If you see it in the video, you'll see it, but I'm not going to purposely put a picture of it because it's kind of a back tattoo and it's more of like a personal thing. If you see me in person and you see, that's you. And if I've sent you a photo of it, then that's for you and you only, you know? But yeah, so I've kind of just been trying to stay motivated and still go with the waves of shit and just trying to get up in life and not be down so much. So yeah, I will be posting a beach vlog eventually. We did want to still go to beach this week, but with getting the car and now this tattoo, it's kind of like I don't want to burn my fucking skin off or get the salt water to poison my skin, personally. So yeah, but beach vlog will be coming soon, so stay tuned. But yeah, I guess today I'm gonna decorate my car, so the next clip will probably be me decorating my car. But I'm gonna go to my friend's house, probably vlog when I'm there, and then I wanted to go to also the premium outlets to get some more studs, because I have a problem with the studs falling out and I lose them. I went not that long ago when I got like a whole baggie of them and they're all gone. It's not me, I promise. They just like, I'm sleeping or I'm washing my face and the next thing, I don't know where it is. So I need to go get some of those. Also ran out of my hair cream. What the fuck? Sorry, I have my Xbox on. But yeah, I need to get hair cream, so I'm probably gonna go to Target. And yeah, I guess keep watching. Okay, so I just wanted to show you her because she's so cute. My door's open, so I'm about to put all this stuff in it. But here she is, your little 360. Look at the fatty. Yeah. She's so cute. And I didn't even show you guys. Oh shit, I'm about to trip, bro. Wait, I shouldn't have showed you that. I don't know what I'm gonna do without that. But here's all the stuff for my old car. About to put it in. She's so cute. Don't look at that. But she has a moonroof, chat. Look, all the way over. So cute. And somebody just fucking drove in. But my brother hasn't seen my car yet. I told him to come help me out with the bed, but he's in the middle of a game. He's also been in fucking a coma, sleeping for like ever, because that's what he does. But I started decorating my car, and I guess I will show you. I'm gonna try to set you guys up somewhere so you can see me, but yeah.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
About to get my brother's reaction on the car. Okay, Bubble.
What?
Ready?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's go look at her. Let's get a good gander. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, nice olive green.
Yeah. Yes. Look at how cute she is. Ooh.
Oh my god, it came with a Primark bag?
Bubble, shut up.
Oh, that's fire.
Shut the fuck up.
Pulling off some nice grease stains here.
Shut the fuck, bro. Stop. Talking about the Aquaphor on my back.
Yesterday, you know?
No, it's from my back right now. It's just sitting there. The Aquaphor is on my
Oh.
back.
Looks nice.
Yeah. What you think?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Yeah.
Does it have
Gonna go
olive?
back to decorating. Okay, guys. So I pretty much decorated my car. I don't know if you can really see. I didn't really have as much decoration. I don't know what happened to half of them, but some of the stuff went in my trunk, my little blankets or whatever. Put some of those little guys right there. Got this right here. Got the stuffed animal. This one here. Then I got that. Like I said, I have some stuff in my trunk, but I also put these little flowers in. Shout out Sarah for getting them for my birthday. But yeah, that's pretty much it. See, I'm about to go pick up my friend Yaz now. So yeah. Or I made it. I forgot I was vlogging. I won't show you yet until you're ready.
Okay.
Anyways, guys, we made it. Okay, guys, we in the car now. We do have the babies in the back. They sleeping. But this is yes. Yeah. I put like a sound over it. Anyways, we're on our way to the outlets to get me some little studs or whatever for my nose because I'm an idiot and they always fall out. So yeah. But yeah, I guess I will update you guys when we're there, and yeah. Okay, guys, we made it. Barely. Now we have to wake the children up. You see the toes? Yeah, the toes. So now we're gonna get out the car and yeah. We outside, chat.
Say hi.
Ah. Oh, she waving. She did it. She did it. We're walking into this. Yeah.
You wanna walk?
We get there. Chat. We made it to the Silver and Beyond. Next to the jerky spot. Yeah.
This one, I'm happy. You wanna watch the good one? Which one? Here, look. How mama pick one?
Like I said, I always tell the customer, be careful.
Like, I'm
Okay, guys, I got 3 of them. One green, one regular one, and one that's like a star. It's so cute. So yeah, now we're about to go into. Okay, and then this one back here. She locked the fuck in. Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse type shit. It's the setup. It's the yeah. She looked away. She hated it. She hated
Say
it.
hi.
Look, say hi.
Say hi, baby. Say hi.
No, she don't fuck with it. Hazel is she in a she got the stank face forever. Okay. Wow. Yeah, guys, we're out of Five Below. I did get something. I got my Disney Doorables shit. Ah! Anyways, yeah, we're at the bathroom and now we're gonna go back to the car and then Target. This one's still watching Mickey Mouse.
So you can flush the toilet.
She hates me. She hates me. Okay, chat. Now we're gonna open the little doorables. Each one of us is gonna open one. Don't mind the crying and screaming.
It's just her being dramatic. We should have did this at our next stop.
Maybe.
Alright, wait. So am I doing this track?
I guess so. I don't know. I've never opened this one. This is the Doorables Let's Go. I've never seen these.
Oh. Okay. Alright. Alright, I got to the purple. It was two.
Yeah, it's two. Okay. They don't have special editions in this one. This is definitely like exclusive. Watch how janky these boxes are because they're from Bobby. Wait.
Alright, am I opening it?
Yeah. Oh wait, she doesn't look that bad. She's mini with a
Wait, she's so cute.
Oh, it's Piglet! Okay, wait, let's see, wait. So, Minnie Mouse is common, and Piglet, where he at? Oh, he's common too. Okay. Then let's open the next one.
Okay.
And I got, now see, he looks fucked up. Like,
He
wait,
looks
there's a bunch of
cute.
stiff. It's either Chip or Dale. We got Andy.
And Chip and Dale, one of them.
Yeah. Cute. Okay. Oh, it's Dale, and he's rare. And then Woody. I thought it was Andy. It's Woody, and he's ultra rare. Cute. Okay, guys, we're to the collection. Now we're gonna go to Target. They're screaming and crying. So see you there.
Okay, fuck you. Oh, I stopped.
Oh, okay, guys. So
Wait.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go ahead. Go
Okay, guys, we dropped off the kids because they was being a hot mess. But we're gonna get food instead of Target. So we're pulling up to Wawa right now.
ahead. We're here.
Yeah. So now we're gonna show you our Wawa orders. Yeah.
Golly.
Okay, wait. I'll go first.
That was back then.
Okay, we're gonna go shorty. American. Right. Then we're gonna go with the vinegar extra. Boom. Mayo. And next, lettuce, pickles. But wait, pickles on the side. And then we're done. That's my sandwich. Okay, what you getting?
Nothing. None of that. Actually, I would.
Let's see.
I'm gonna get a hoagie. I'm gonna get turkey.
Shorty.
Regular cheese. None of that.
Oh my.
None of that.
She's a basic
None
bitch.
of that.
Okay.
None of that.
No. Okay. All right. And then, okay, that's it for the
Is
food.
that all we get?
I think so. Okay. Let me get a slice. Okay, ready? Wait. We're gonna do Coke, right? Then two cherries. This was a little bit liquid, but that's okay. We fucked it. Oh shit. Mom, it's busted! Oh my god, it's still going. I don't know what. Okay. Why did he do that? Okay. Yeah. Wait, that was turkey. It was a mission. You should have seen it. Oh my god. Yeah. A lot of shit. It's a seafood boil, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Things. Right? Then, zebra coat. Man. Which you guys already saw. Then, wait. I'll show them what you got, too. Then she got coffee. And she's crust for the children. And then she also got a hoagie. Oh yeah. And then so now we eat.
Hi. We pretty much finished our food. And now they're playing Fortnite.
Hello guys.
And got so far. Wait, they have an emote for that? Doesn't even matter. What you know about Linkin Park, kid?
Me?
No, this guy.
Nothing.
Crunchy.
Is that where we're going?
I don't know.
And I dream about you all the time. I'm here without you, baby. But you still must be in my dreams. And tonight, it's only you and me. I'm on my way home, guys. I stay stunting. All these girls only good want one thing. I spend my whole life goodwill hunting. Only girl that's coming is good when I'm coming. She got an ass that'll swallow up a G-string. And I'm top of 2 bee stings.
And I'm beasting off the Riesling. And my nigga just made it out the greasing. We give a damn about the
drama that you do bring. I'm just trying to change the color on your mood ring. Reebok, baby, you need to try some new things. Have you ever had shoes without shoestrings? What's that, yay? Baby, these heels. And SMA, what? Baby, these wheels.
You tripping when you ain't sipping, have a refill. You feeling like you're running high. Now you know how we feel.
Okay, guys. I'm back home. That was pretty much the vlog. It was pretty boring. My light source is like terrible, but that's pretty much the vlog, guys. And yeah, I don't really know. It's a pretty boring vlog, but I need to post something to be consistent. You know, consistency is key. But yeah, I don't know what my next vlog is gonna be next week. But subscribe, like, and stay smiley.